Okay, you guys, I just had the hardest time trying to set up the ScanNcut foiling kit. So I got it to work, but it literally took me like 2 hours to figure it out. So I want to explain the troubleshooting part of it before I go into actually using the kit. So this video is just going to be the troubleshooting part of it. So when you get a new feature, for example, this is the ScanNcut foil transfer starter kit. Okay, I also have the rhinestone kit and the stamp making kit. They come with these little activation cards, which look like, like scratch off. Here we go. They come with these little activation cards, and then they have a little scratch off number on the inside. So the first thing you have to do is go to your Brother Canvas workspace and you log into your account. So you have to have that activated. Once you log into your account, you're going to go in the top right corner here to your actual account, click on your little login, and then it's going to say Premium Function Activation. You're going to click that. Then you're going to scratch off the little number on the back of the card, just like a gift card. You're going to type the numbers in and you're going to hit activate. It's going to verify that you want it activated. You're going to hit yes, activate it. And then once they're activated, they go from gray to colored. So you can see my rhinestone, my stamp, my foiling is all activated. Okay. You can only activate one per machine per account. Okay. So I got all of that working. I picked out my foiling software that I wanted to do. So I'm going to go to Brother Canvas workspace here. It's going to open up. And I searched foil and tried to go through the process. Here's where I had the issue. As I was trying to activate it, what you need to do is go to settings. I lost my stylus tool. But you're going to click on the little wrench. And you're going to go to page 8. I'm trying to get the glare out. See how that says page 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And nothing was showing up for me under premium functions. None of this was showing up. So I was really having a hard time to get it activated. So I uninstalled everything. I reinstalled it. I unactivated my machine. I could not get it to activate. Well, if you go into settings under version, so page 5, my version said 2.2. And then when I tried to update it, it would not let me update it. Okay, so here's what I found out. You can see it is now finally updated. And when I go to page 8, my foiling option now says on. All right, so I want to show you where you need to go to make this show up in case you're having the same problem and it's not showing up. I really thought I needed to go buy a new ScanNcut. I was losing my mind. So when you are updating your software, you actually need to go to the website, the support and downloads, okay? The first thing you need to do is check your product and make sure that it is your machine. There's a default machine that comes up. Make sure you change it to yours. So mine is the CM350, okay? Then you're going to go to software where it says downloads right here. You're going to click on that. Choose your operating system on your computer. Mine has Windows 10. I'm going to hit OK. And then you're going to click on this button that says machine software. Okay. Now this is important. If you are going to be, there's 2 ways you can update it. You can update it through a USB drive or a thumb drive. So basically one of these guys. You download the software onto here, and then you take this over to your machine, you plug it in your machine and update it. But I have a cord in mine. So if you have a cord hooked into your machine, what you're going to do is you're going to agree and download the information. Once you click agree and download, it's going to start download. You can see mine's downloaded there. My downloads automatically go into the download folder. So this is my download folder. This is the download. It will not open from your computer. So what you actually do is you drag that file and you stick it into the machine. So this is showing USB drive G that can be either your USB or in my case, it's my actual ScanNcut. So I just take this file, clicked it, and dragged it over to here. Once I did that, it started to download onto the machine here. And so it actually came up on here that it was updating, and then it said do not shut off until it's complete. Once it said complete, I turned the power off, I turned it back on, and it activated for me. Now, if this is grayed out and you're having a problem and it's not showing, what you can also do is turn the machine off. When you turn the machine on, you're going to quickly hit your feed and your power on at the same time. And it's going to give you the USB option or the cord option. And you can see my cord is plugged in there. So even though my machine is set up wirelessly, I had to install the cord to download it here. Once you click that, I'm going to click update. See how it says version 2.21? Well, at that point, it started feeding everything over to the computer. So I just wanted you guys to see that. Actually, let's try that again, because that's supposed to be 2.38. So I'm going to drag my file. Okay, it says it's downloading it. Okay, now it says connected to the PC, do not disconnect the USB cable. And then it's going to say update. And then once it's done updating, I can turn it off. Then I went back to page 8 and it showed the foiling was updated. So I wanted to give you guys that thumbs up or that little tip because I had the hardest time trying to figure out why it wasn't showing. The activation part with the scratch off card was easy on the software online, but my machine just wasn't updating. So I wanted to give you guys that. My next video will be how to use the foiling kit. If you have any questions, post them down below. I am not a ScanNcut expert, but I did not see a video on this. And so I thought since I figured it out, I had to share it with you guys. If you learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up. Again, my machine is the ScanNcut CM350. If you have any questions about that, again, just learning how to use it. But there you go. Thanks for watching and keep on stamping. Bye-bye.